Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start underground immediately. Equip a fortune pickaxe and efficiency to speed up mining and maximize drops. Once done, secure supplies, food, torches, blocks, a bed, and a safe exit route so you can stay at depth longer. Make sure the mod that adds Allthemodium is active and ore gen settings are standard. Otherwise, the ore won't spawn. You're now ready to locate chunks and begin systematic searching with high-efficiency tools that preserve your time and resources. You proceed by scanning chunks methodically. Run straight corridors and branch every 5 to 7 blocks to cover area without missing veins. Once you identify promising chunks with a viewer mod, mark entrances and work those chunks fully. Ore veins ignore surface landmarks, so cover the volume. Make sure to favor lower Y levels where Allthemodium tends to cluster, and use controlled explosions or strip mining to reveal veins faster. Keep switching tools and fortune use to optimize yield while minimizing time spent per chunk. You finish by harvesting every exposed vein with fortune to maximize output, then process the ore to confirm its Allthemodium using item tooltips. Once verified, catalog the productive chunks and store materials safely so future runs target known hotspots. If you hit dry runs, make sure to expand your search radius and rescan chunk borders, double-check mod versions and server configs, and clear caches or reload the world. These fixes often resolve missing ore issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.